How to check writing, spelling, and grammar on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on General Management. Then tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. In here, tap on Writing Assist. Make sure the toggle button is turned on. Once it is turned on, open up your keyboard with the app you are using. So let's say if I'm using Notes, I can start writing, or you can use other apps as well. So I have one open already, WhatsApp right here. Okay, so with this one, when you're writing a small piece of text, you can tap on this AI icon, then tap on spelling and grammar, and it will check for you if there are corrections. It will suggest the corrections. You can either copy it or you can replace it, and that's it. So after that, I'm going to check again to make sure it is correct this time. So it's still again offer another replacement, so tap on it, and that's it. So that's how you can check for grammar and spelling on your Galaxy S26. Make sure you turn it on if you switch it off. So here if I go and switch it off, you can see that if I tap on this icon, it said that I need to turn it on before I can use it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.